There's an overview video on the Virtus equipment C4060 30 horsepower soundproof granulator with hydraulic hopper. This unit's mainly used for blow molded parts and also larger parts on a beside the press basis. It's in a fully enclosed soundproofed container, and you can evacuate on the right side or the left hand side of the unit. What we're going to take you through now is how to open up the machine. So you turn on the maintenance. What the maintenance key does, it unlocks the locks that we have. These are electronic locks that prevent anyone from opening up the machine while still under power. We have one in the front, which gives you a wide open front for easy access, and then we have one here in the back. Which gives you access to the motor and any other working parts on the unit. We're now going to open up the hopper on the GST 400-600. You just turn the switch, two safety buttons, and it's a hydraulic jack on the unit, which gives it a nice easy opening to reach the knives. The unit is now fully open. You can see the large bite area that is on this machine, so it can take blow molded parts up to 5-gallon pails and drums into this unit. And the hopper on this unit is a fully sound enclosed hopper, and again, it's hydraulically lifted. We're now going to open up the chamber to gain access to the knife. So you need to take out the bin first that goes below, so the bin easily comes out. It's a stainless steel bin that again evacuates on the right or the left hand side. And now to lower the chamber to get to the knives. And now this gives you full access to the knives and the screen. These are 3-knife rotors. It has a nice angled cut on it. There we go. Nice easy turn to get to it. And you have 2 bed knives, 1 bed knife here at your 10 o'clock, and then you have one on the lower side of the unit that you can get to on this granulator. It's a heavy-duty rotor. You can see by the size of it. And all the knives are adjustable knives, and the reason for that is so it keeps the same cutting diameter throughout the whole process. So whether you're have sharpened the knives 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, it'll keep the same exact cutting diameter between the knife and the screen. What we have on the side is we have a lock that allows you, when you change the knives, it prevents the rotor from moving, so it locks it into place, and that also has a safety on it to ensure that the motor will not engage until the part is brought all the way back. And we also have heavy-duty bearings on both sides. These are SKF bearings on both sides of the rotor. The GST models are fully soundproofed. You can see the soundproofing on it. It's very robust chamber it's in, so it gives you a long life and good soundproof throughout your use of the unit. And again, the motors on these things are 30 horsepower WEG motors, and you can bring the size up to a 35 or a 40 horsepower if you desire to have extra power behind your unit. We're now going to open up the control panel for you and let you see inside. It's a nice Rattel control panel with Eaton, and this is the inside of it. Very well designed and very well done. And again, the components in here are primarily Eaton components. And we also use Smerzo and Weedland as our safety components on it. And each unit comes standard with an amp meter on the side of the unit.